Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here at Das Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're posting a lot of vehicles, and for every single one of these vehicles, we have a walk around video to show you guys what's going on. So make sure you subscribe if you like what you're watching, folks. Drop us a like, and we'll go ahead and get straight into this 2020 International MV607. It's a 26-foot box truck with a ramp. It had one previous owner. It has 196,520 miles. Truck is in great condition. It has been fully reconned, and what we mean when we say that these trucks have been fully reconned is that we've gone through the suspension, the braking, the engine, and the transmission components. We made sure that everything works to a crisp, and we'll go ahead and get straight into it with the tires, which have plenty of life left on them. This vehicle is really ready to work. Up over here you have the engine block heater. I know this is super useful for folks who live in Colorado. You know, it gets super cold in Colorado, or if you just live in a colder state, that's definitely going to be the thing you need. 70-gallon diesel tank. Get you a great look. Truck is in great condition. Take a look at these tires over here. The vehicle's GVWR is going to be 25,999 pounds. So it's a non-CDL vehicle. And what that means is you don't need a CDL license to drive this. You and I can just drive this with our regular driver's licenses. Okay. Here is your ramp. You've got a roll-up door. And we'll go ahead and check out the box, which is in great condition. You've got tie-down planks going all around, as well as kickboards on the bottom there. Up here, you do have a translucent roof, and then you also have those dome lights for your nightly operations. Okay. Yep, you also do have a hitch down there. It's super useful for some folks, and then you also have the connectors as well to connect your brake lights for your trailer. It's always great to see a nice truck like this come in, especially with such low miles, and that Cummins and Allison combo really can't beat it. This truck does also have air suspension and air brakes. I know it's super big deal for some folks. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Checking out your interior, here's your fire extinguisher. Right over here is where you can control the air ride height, and then that's also your lumbar support, which I know is an awesome feature, especially for longer road trips. But I'll get you guys a good look at the dashboard here. Super clean interior. No rips or tears on these seats. All right, let's go ahead and hop on in. Start her up, and then we'll check out all the features. We'll let it do its little check. Clean startup, as you can see, no lights on the dashboard. Here's your 196,520 miles. All right. So what you got going on here, you do have heated mirrors. You've got the trans mode, which is basically just Econ Mode. You'll see it come down over here. What this means is that your transmission is going to shift at lower RPM, saving you a lot on that fuel, especially if you're just going down a straight road. You don't need all that power. So I know that's great. Again, you do have air suspension, so you can dump that suspension over here. Heated mirrors. Your sixth gear, disabling button. What this does, just disables your sixth gear, just as it sounds. So you'll be running on those 5 gears, and I know that's important for some folks, depending on your uses. You've got your regular radio with the aux port, and then the USB port. Over here you have 2 USB ports and then 2 12-volt outlets. And then you also have cruise control, which I know is definitely a big deal, especially if you're going on those long interstate drives, and even in inner city drives. I know that can be definitely a big deal. Over here you've got your hands-free call control, as well as the radio volume and whatnot. Cool stuff. Let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, you're gonna have the notorious 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6 turbo diesel engine. What a beautiful engine. This is coupled with that 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. Now, we've seen these engines last from anywhere from 400,000 to 800,000 miles. They can even go up to 1,000,000 miles, just depending on your care. You need to make sure that you're getting those oil changes in, your PMs in, and these engines will do their work. All right, and now to wrap it up for your 2020 International MV607 with that ramp and the air brakes and the air suspension as well. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, make sure you head over to our website so you can see the full listing with all of its glory. I'm going to go ahead and put a short info snippet inside of the description of this YouTube video just for your convenience. I'll also put the link to our website in there as well. You'll also have our phone number if you want to give us a call, talk about financing, find out some other information. If you want to see some different pictures, more videos, you let us know. We can definitely provide that. All right, folks, Merry Christmas. Take care. Happy holidays.